Hi everyone, I'm Nipasa Pradhan and you're watching Immigration Talk Show, your trusted space where we break down important immigration updates that could affect you, your family, or your community here in the United States. Today's story is both serious and important, especially for anyone holding a green card or hoping to get one. Let's start with a recent message from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. In a post shared on X, formerly Twitter, USCIS issued a strong reminder to the public. Having a green card is a privilege, not a right. This isn't just a general statement. They posted it alongside news of a real case that's now making headlines. According to USCIS Los Angeles, they revoked the green card of a Chinese national who had been convicted of multiple felonies. These weren't small charges. They included forgery, money laundering, and fraudulent use of credit cards. USCIS worked in coordination with U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, to take action. Deportation proceedings have already been initiated in this case. Now, while USCIS didn't release the individual's name or the exact timeline of these criminal offenses, they made their message clear. If someone is granted immigration benefits, including a green card, and later commits serious crimes, those benefits can be taken away. This isn't just about one case, it's being used as a cautionary example. According to officials, this is a reminder for all visa holders and green card beneficiaries that U.S. immigration benefits comes with responsibilities. And if someone abuses those responsibilities, the government has the authority to revoke their status in the interest of public safety. In fact, in the same post, USCIS emphasized its ongoing mission to make America safe again. That phrase reflects a broader enforcement-first approach that has become more visible in recent years. In many major US cities, there's a growing focus on coordination between federal agencies like USCIS and ICE to make sure the system works fairly and firmly. But that's not all we're covering today. There's also big news coming out of Washington, D.C., and this time, it's something that has international students and academic institutions watching closely. Earlier this week, Joseph Edlow, who has been nominated by President Trump to head USCIS, spoke during his confirmation hearing before the Senate Judiciary Committee. His comments sparked a wave of concern, especially among international students. Here's what he said. If confirmed, he plans to eliminate the OPT program, that's optional practical training. If you're a student, you probably know what OPT is. It allows international students to stay in the US for up to 12 months after graduating so they can work in a job related to their field of study. It's been a very popular and helpful program for students who want to gain experience and build a career after completing their degree. But Edlow didn't stop there. He also expressed opposition to the STEM OPT extension. That's an additional 24 months of work authorization given to graduates in science, technology, engineering, and math fields where the US has been actively trying to attract global talent. So, if both programs were to end, that would mean a total of 36 months of work opportunity for STEM grads could vanish. For years, these programs have been seen as important tools for keeping high-skilled global talent here in the US. Industry leaders, economists, tech companies, and universities have all spoken in favor of OPT and STEM OPT, saying they help the US stay competitive in fields where innovation and expertise are crucial. Many experts are now concerned that ending these programs could have a negative impact on the US workforce, the economy, and even universities' ability to attract international students. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're in the US on a visa, hold a green card, or are making plans to study or work here, this is the time to stay fully aware of what's happening. For green card holders, the key message is this: stay responsible, follow the law, and remember that permanent residency comes with obligations. For students, the potential rollback of OPT and STEM OPT could seriously affect your career plans after graduation. We're not here to cause fear, but we do want you to be well informed and ready to adapt if needed. Make sure to follow updates from USCIS, talk to your school's immigration advisor, and stay connected with trustworthy sources that can help you navigate any changes. And remember, policy decisions don't just affect individuals, they have a big impact on the economy, universities, and the entire country's future. That's all for today. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show. We are here to bring you the facts that matter in a way that's clear, useful, and respectful of everyone's role in the immigration process. Until next time, I'm Napasa Pradhan. Stay safe, stay informed, and take care.